So our question three is where can I get simple security log generator scripts or Eventgen to simulate live data?
Yeah, so there's a couple ways we could do this. Obviously, you could use attack range. We've talked about that already. Using that to actually, it will spin up containerized infrastructure. It'll actually inject real logs into your environment that you can test your detections against. Other,
And save those logs off so you can replay them later without having to spin everything up. That's the other really nice thing.
yeah, and then as well, we've published. Adrian mentioned this earlier. Boss of the SOC. We published all the data relating to Boss of the SOC V1, V2, V3. I didn't put all the links in here. I just put V1. But if you change the one to a two or a three, you'll get to see the other ones as well. And then the event gen documentation itself is a good place. There are some elements in there that you could actually, it'll actually, you don't need to do any of the scripts. There's actually an event gen app. You could just use that, and elements like that. Other than that, ways that I've generated and captured live data, I've actually gone in and grabbed um, old logs off of devices that I don't work with. I have a graveyard of hardware over here in my closet that I've developed over the years from the gray market or people just telling me they didn't want that piece of equipment. I believe there used to be a telemetry sample thing out there, but I think that got nuked a while ago.
Well, and fun fact, I guess, or esoteric nugget of information. That's actually what Splunk Base originally was for. The original purpose of Splunk Base was sample log files to put out there so people could go, oh, well, this is what that log and these what these fields mean. And that kind of evolved into apps and everything we do today. But yeah, way back 20 years ago, that was the original purpose of Splunk Base.
Want to sign up for a future community office hours? From community.splunk.com, select events, then office hours Ask the Experts to register for a session across platform, security, or observability. Hope to see you in the next one.